Hi, this is Rock. I've been looking forward to exploring the indirect function with you. So you know that if you have a cell reference like this, it'll bring the contents of that reference here. So this is J7. This is a list of cities that have hosted the Olympics. All right, let's say that you want to build a reference. So you know that this is J, this is K, L, and M. And in terms of the column references, then this is 6, 7, these are rows, 8, 9, etc. If you have this list, you could build an indirect to those. If you know London is K11, you can type K11 here and then say equals indirect K11, and that returns London. If you know you've got Seoul at L15, you can use that L15 to say indirect D11, which is L15. And what indirect is doing is it's saying the reference that I want to bring back is in this other cell. So it's finding it in D11, and then it brings it back. That is indirect. The most exciting use of indirect comes with indirect concatenate, and I'll show you that next. See you then.